You may feel that some parts of the year are cooler than the others, and that some parts of the year are warmer than the others. You may already know this phenomena to be called seasons. But why does this happen? Well, to answer that, we must first note that the Earth spins on an axis, but not only on just a straight up and down axis, but the Earth actually spins on an axis which is tilted about 23.5 degrees. And this tilt is why the seasons exist. So why does this tilt actually make the seasons? Well, as you can see on the screen, the Earth had the same tilt all throughout its orbit when it's the summer months of June, July, and August. And the northern hemisphere is pointing toward the sun, but the southern hemisphere is actually facing away from the sun. Therefore, when the northern hemisphere is experiencing summer, the southern hemisphere is experiencing winter. This is because the sun puts more direct light on the northern side than the southern side. This is because the sun puts more direct light on the northern hemisphere than the southern hemisphere. And so, when it's winter in December, January, and February in the northern hemisphere, it's actually summer in the southern hemisphere because the Earth's tilt pointing the southern hemisphere to the sun, increasing the direct sunlight the south gets and reducing the amount of direct sunlight that comes on the northern hemisphere. But why does having direct sunlight give you more heat in the summer than the indirect light you get in the winter? Well, that's because, for example, the direct light shining on something is much more bright and intense than light that is shining at an angle. The first season we'll be talking about is winter. Winter is when your part of the globe, whether it's the northern or southern hemispheres, are tilted away from the sun. This means that there is less heat, and in many places, rain is replaced with snow. As well as that, days get shorter and nights get longer. In the second season we're going to be talking about is summer. Summer is when the northern or southern hemispheres are tilted towards the sun. Therefore, there is more heat and it's much more brighter and intense, and days get longer and nights get shorter. The third and fourth season we're going to be talking about are autumn and spring. In these seasons, the heat and the cold are balanced, as no side is actually tilted towards the sun, making the average temperature not too hot and not too cold. But why do days get shorter in the winter and longer in the summer? Well, it's because since in the summer, the northern side is facing towards the sun, meaning that the northern side will have a longer day, and the southern side will be having a shorter day. And the winter is vice versa. I hope you liked my video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.